Okay, we'll continue. Yes, we were doing this. Now I'll move on to the statement problems. So which are the question I am doing? You will get the worksheet later. Okay? Please don't take down the question, only the answers we can have the discussion here. I will do the first question which is based on the fraction problem. I will go through the question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So you should consider the numerator as x and denominator as y. When 2 is added means x plus 2 by y plus 2 equals 9 upon 11. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, the denominator it becomes 5 by 6. That is x plus 3 by y plus 3 equals 5 by 6. Find the fraction. This is the question regarding the fraction. Whenever it is fraction, you should keep in mind the numerator in one variable, denominator in another variable. Start answering, keeping condition. Let the numerator be x, denominator be y. Therefore, the required fraction is x by y. So, you should find out the values of x and y. Simple question. First condition, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 9 by 11. First condition. If 3 is added to numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Okay. So, using the condition, doing cross multiplication, you can get two equations. Later solving x and y gives numerator and denominator of the fraction. You will get 11x plus 22 equals 9y plus 18. 11x minus 9y equals 18 minus 22 is, what you will get? 4. Equation 1. Coming to the second equation, 6x plus 18 equals 5y plus 15. Doing cross multiplication, you will get second equation, 6x minus 5y equals minus 3. Now solving either by substitution method or by eliminating the quotient method, you can get the values of x and y. Then x upon y gives the required fraction. Come on, work out. Here it is 6x minus 5y equals minus 3. Equation 2. So now I will multiply first equation with 6, second with 11. It becomes 66x minus 54y equals minus 24. Next, 66x minus 55y equals minus 33. To cancel, we do the subtraction. The sign will change and this will get cancelled. What will have? Plus 55 minus 54. So plus y equals plus 33 minus 24. You will get 9. Y equals 9. Substituting y is equal to 9 in one of the equation, you will get substituting y equal to 9 in the take the second equation. 5 into 9 equals minus 3. 6x equals minus 3 plus 45. X equals 42 by 6. X equals 7. Getting x and y, then you write, therefore, the final answer you have to conclude. Therefore, the required fraction is 7 upon 9. 3 marks question. Considering x as numerator, y as denominator, conclude your answer. Therefore, required fraction equals 7 by 9. Even the final answer conclusion also carries. So, don't keep your answers where there you are doubt. At last, conclude your answer by writing the condition. Yes, x equals 7, y equals 9. X by y, 7 by 9 is the required fraction. Okay, next question. Here regarding the speed problem, we will do the problem. This type of question you will have in the textbook also. Points A and B are 90 kilometer apart. In textbook it is 100 kilometer apart on a highway. A car starts from A and another car from B at the same time. This type we have worked out already. If they go in the same direction, they meet in 9 hours. If they go in opposite direction, they meet in 9 by 7 hours. Find their speed. Very, very important problem. We will do this as a speed problem in statement question. So considering the first condition, A and B are 90 kilometer apart on a highway. Point A and B are 90 kilometer, and we consider a car with x kilometer per hour speed, a car with B y kilometer per hour speed. Condition, if they move in same direction, they meet at a point after how many hours? After 9 hours. That is time taken to reach point C is 9 hours. Speed of car at point A be x kilometer per hour. We should, what we have taken, that you have to mention here as a sentence. Speed of car at point B be y kilometer per hour. And we know distance equals speed into time. Therefore, AC equals 90 into x 90x kilometer. That is from A to C. Then BC equals 90 into y distance. Distance covered is equal to speed into time. Not 90. It is 9 kilometer. I'm sorry. 9x kilometer and 9y kilometer. Distance equals speed is x, time is 9 hours. And we know AB distance. That is AB can be taken as AC minus BC. AC is 90, AB is 90, AC 9x, BC 9y. Therefore, first equation is x minus y equals 10. Dividing LHS and RHS by 9, x minus y is equal to 10. Second condition, when they move in opposite direction, that is A to C and B to C, the time taken is 9 by 7 hours. So this as usual speed is x kilometer per hour. Speed at second car speed is at point B is y kilometer per hour. So AC plus BC equals AB. And we know the speed is x kilometer. Time taken to reach point C is 9 by 7 hours. So the distance AC is 9 by 7x, 9 by 7y equals 90. AC speed into time, BC speed into time. In between the AB distance is 90. So what you get if I take 9 common, x plus y equals, here it becomes 10, 10 into 7, 70 as equation 2. So if I divide it by 9, you will get 9x by 7 into 1 by 9 is x by 7, y by 7 equals 10. Doing again cross multiplication, you will get x plus y is equal to 70. First equation, x minus y equals 10. Now solve, you will get 2 speed. Speed of car at A and speed of car at B. Do the calculation. Cancelling y, 2x equals 80, x equals 40. Therefore, y equals 30. Then conclude your answer. Speed of car at point A is 40 km per hour. Speed of car at point B is 30 km per hour. Is clear? After that, finally conclude at the bottom. Speed of car at point A. Very good, Vishal. Is 40 km per hour. Yes. And Nandika, you have written perfectly. But conclude with the statement. Speed of car at point A. Speed of car at point B. 40 km per hour and 30 km per hour. Clear? Don't write x is equal to 40. What is that 40 chocolate? 40 biscuit? It should be 40 kilometer per hour. Purnachandra, don't write 30, 40. You have to write the value along with its unit. 40 kilometer per hour, 30 kilometer per hour. Is it clear? So let us have one more speed problem. When it is speed problem, it carries 4 marks usually. Okay. Don't write the question. I will give the question as a worksheet after the class. A boat covers 32 kilometer upstream, 32 kilometer upstream and 36 kilometer downstream in 7 hours. After also it covers 40 kilometer upstream, 48 kilometer downstream in 9 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water, yes, and speed of the stream. So one point you have to keep in mind, boat speed, ship speed, rowing speed is always greater than the speed of the current speed or speed of the stream. So taking variables, x is always boat speed and y is always stream speed. X minus y, x plus y gives speed in upstream and downstream. For the upstream we have the retardation. For the downstream we consider its acceleration. So it is x plus and upstream speed is always x minus. So before entering to the answering of the speed, you have to consider, does it require 2 variables? Which are those variables? And with that, which should be greater? Considering that, you have to start your answer. Yes, let the speed of the boat be x kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the boat be x kilometer per hour. Then speed of the stream y kilometer per hour. Yes, Purnachandra, correct. Now proceed to the next question. Therefore, upstream speed we consider x minus y kilometer per hour. Upstream speed. Downstream speed is always x plus y kilometer per hour. Now we know that time is equal to distance by speed. So in the RHS we need to keep the answer in time. So LHS should be expressible as distance by speed. So time taken by total time to cover upstream and downstream in first condition is 7 hours. So the condition becomes 32 kilometer upstream plus 36 kilometer downstream. The time taken is 7 hours. Distance by speed is time, upstream time and downstream time together it is 7 hours. So you have to think what RHS is expressible, LHS also should be in the same form. If it is time, this should be in time. If it is a product of distance and speed, it should be a product of distance and speed. Like that you have to manage with LHS and RHS. Second condition, 40 kilometer upstream, 48 kilometer downstream in 9 hours. Okay. Now, as it is, we cannot solve it. This is an equation reducible to linear form. Considering, let 1 upon x minus y as a, 1 upon x plus y as b. Now the equation becomes 32a plus 36b equals 7. Then 40a plus 48b equals 9. If there is a chance of taking off the common factor, you can take. Otherwise, we have to do either by substitution or elimination method, because cross multiplication method has been reduced from the syllabus. It is removed. So we have to opt either the substitution method or eliminating the quotient method. So by which number I should multiply so that coefficient of A or B will be same. Come on. If I multiply this by 5 and this by 4, is it okay? 32 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16. 4 into 40, you will get again 160. So the equation becomes 160a plus 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18b equals 7 5s are 35. Next, 160a. 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 9. B equals 36. On subtraction, sign will change. Then we cancel. What you get? 12b equals minus 1. B equals 1 by 12. Substituting B value in one of the equation. 160a. 180 into 1 by 12 equals 35. 12 ones are 12. 12 5s are 60. Correct? 160a equals, you will get 35 minus 15 as 20. A equals 1 upon, what you get? 8. So now the A and B are not the variables which is given in the beginning of the answer. Again resubstitute to the condition what you have taken. I hope that it is clear. Do the cross multiplication. You will get x and y value and give me the final answer. That is, after getting A and B, resubstitute to the condition taken. What is the condition taken? 1 upon x minus y. 1 upon x minus y equals A, where A is 1 by 8. 1 upon x plus y equals B, where B is 1 by 12. Yes, do cross multiplication. Further, any substitution method or eliminating the method, you can cancel one of the variable and to get the values of x and y. Yes. Two x equals x equals 10. I think it's not 3 and 5. Saramangala, check it once. You will get x minus y equals 8. X plus y equals 12. Cancelling, 2x equals 20. X equals 10. Then y equals 2. Then finally conclude Therefore, speed of the boat is 10 km per hour. Speed of the stream is 2 km per hour. Yes, Nandika, you are right. Conclude after getting x and y separately. Conclude your answer. Speed of the boat 10 km per hour. Speed of the stream 2 km per hour. Over. I will move on to the next question. Here, this is based on the practical geometry in a cyclic quadrilateral. Even this question is also included in the earlier worksheet, but this is different question. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, get a cyclic quadrilateral figure, insert a quadrilateral within the circle like this. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral where angle A equals 2x plus 4 degree, angle B equals y plus 3 degree, angle C equals 2y plus 10 degree, angle D equals 4x minus 5 degree. Find the four angles. Here we must use the property sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Using that property, obtain two conditions. On solving, you will get the values of x and y. Substitute to each angle given in terms of x and y. You will get all the four angles. You can verify by adding the opposite angles. You will get 180 degree. By adding all the four angles, you should get 360 degree. Get the figure, and below that, first write the property to which you are going to answer. Sum of opposite angles is supplementary. Sum of the opposite angles supplementary. One thing you should keep in mind, if you write either ABCD in clockwise or ABCD in anti-clockwise is correct. Instead of that, if you write ABCD, the value goes. It should be in clockwise or anti-clockwise naming of the cyclic quadrilateral. This is the common mistake the students will do. AB then CD means if you take the opposite angles, it differ. Okay, na? So now according to the condition, therefore angle A plus angle C equals 180 degree. That is 2x plus 4y plus 3 equals 180 degree. 2x 2x plus y equals 180 minus 7, it is 173, correct? Equation 1. And second condition, angle B plus angle D equals 180 degree, where angle B is y plus 3. I think I have taken 2x plus 4. For B I have taken, C I have taken the B value. Please change here. Angle A is 2x plus 4. Angle C is 2y plus 10 equals 180 degree. Sorry, A plus C. What you get? 2x plus 2y equals 180 degree minus 14. 2x plus 2y equals 180 minus 14 is 166. Dividing it by 2, first equation is, okay na? Coming to the second condition, angle B plus angle D equals 180, where angle B is y plus 3, angle D is 4x minus 5 equals 180. That is 4x plus y equals 182. Can you guess? 3 minus 5 is minus 2, transferring to the RHS, it becomes 182. Now here comes two equations to solve, either by substitution method or by eliminating the coefficient method. That is x plus y equals 83, 4x plus y equals 182. On subtraction, sign changes, this will get cancelled. We will get minus 3x equals 12 minus 3, 9, 17 minus 8, 9, x equals 33. To get y value, y equals 83 minus x, that is y equals 83 minus 33, y equals 50. So getting x and y value, substitute to each angle measurement and later check the opposite angles supplementary or not. Check it once. Got the all angles measurement. Getting 33 and 50, angle A is 2 into 33 plus 4. Like that you have to substitute and obtain all the 4 angles. Angle A 70 degree, angle C 110 degree. So total 180 degree, that is correct. What about angle B? Angle B is 53 degree. Angle D is 4 into 33 minus 5. So that all the four angles total sum is 360 degree. Opposite angle sum is 180 degree. Okay, now? Now I move on to the next question. Another question, it's a NCERT textbook question, has also appeared in exam also. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depending on the number of days one has taken the food. A student A takes food for 20 days. He has to pay 1000 as hostel charges, whereas student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as the hostel charges. Find the fixed charge and cost of food per day. So the last two sentences gives the variables what we have to take. Cost of the food and the fixed charge amount as X and Y variable. It is a type of textbook question that is covered. I will go with the condition. Let the fixed charge. Don't straight away go with the equation to solve. Whenever it is a statement, it is must to mention what the variable represents. Let the fixed charge. Let the fixed charge be rupees X. Charge per day of food be Y rupees. So X variable gives fixed charge amount and Y variable gives the cost of food per day. Cost of food per day. Condition, a student A took the fixed food for 20 days. So fixed rupees plus number of days with this charge and the amount paid is 1000. This becomes equation 1. Fixed charge is constant. In the second case, he has taken the food for 26 days and paid as hostel charges 1180. Two conditions. X and Y gives fixed charge as well as cost of charge per day. Come on. Since here X variable doesn't have any quotient, on subtraction this will change the sign, this will get cancelled. What you will get? Y equals minus 6y equals minus 180, y equals 30. This is cost of food per day. Now calculate the fixed charge by substituting. Therefore, x plus 20 into 30 equals 1000. X equals 1000 minus 600. X equals 400. So what this X represent? Fixed charge, hostel charge. Fixed hostel charge is rupees X is 400. Cost of food per day is rupees 30. Y is rupees 30. So getting X and value, Y value separately, then you have to Give the statement what x value and what is the value of y. Over. Next question. Simple, very simple, 2 marks question. 5 books and 7 pencil together. 5 books and 7 pencils together cost rupees 79. 7 books plus 5 pencils together cost rupees 77. Then find the total cost of 1 book and 2 pens. 1 book means x, 2 pens means 2y is the question. So directly I have taken the equation. It is very simple question where you will get it for 2 marks. You may get it for MCQ also. The value of 1 book and 2 pencil is, then you have to do the calculation, then opt for the right answer. So here they are given 5 books, 7 pencils together 79, where x represent cost of a book, y represent the cost of a pencil. Second condition, 7 books, 5 pencils, 77. What is the total cost of a book and 2 pencils? That means don't keep x and value, y value separately. We require the value of x plus 2y. Try to understand the question properly and complete your answer. So now it is an interchanging. You can do easily by adding and subtracting, or you can take multiplication with first equation with 7 and second equation with 5. You can get the answer. Okay. I will go with adding the equation. What you will get? 12x plus 12y equal 156. Dividing by 12, x plus y equals simplest form of the equation. On subtracting the equation, minus 2x plus 2y equals 2. Dividing it by minus 2, x minus y equals minus 1. See the simplest version of the calculation. That means without using substitution method or eliminating the quotient method, I simplified the equation by adding and subtracting. Here I did with the division of minus 2, so minus 2 minus plus, plus into minus minus, like this will get the answer. This will get cancelled. 2x equals 12, x equals 6, therefore y equals x equals, on addition only, x plus x 2x, 13 minus 1 is 12. So x equals 6. Y equals, what you get? Y equals, x equals 6. Y equals 7. Correct? So now we require the total value. X is 6 plus 2 into 7. How much? The final answer is, what is the total cost of a book and a pen? It is rupees. We are not supposed to write the answer only x and y. We require the answer as total amount given by the person to the shopkeeper, x plus 2y. It is rupees 20. Such type of question you will get it as an MCQ where we require the calculation, then we have to opt for the answer. It's clear? Now let us move on to the digit problem. Age problem, digit problem, fraction problem, fixed amount problem, speed problem, income expenditure problem, work taken by two persons, like that. You have wide varieties in this linear equation statement problem. Here is the question. In a two-digit number, the unit digit is twice the tens digit. Suppose if you assume unit digit as x and tens digit as y, the first condition is x is equal to 2y. If 27 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. That means usually we take tens place and ones place as 10x plus y. So you take y as the unit place and x as the tens place. Then x equals to y. Substitute the condition, second condition. You will get two equations. Okay. So now this is regarding the digit problem. I will read the question again. In a two-digit number, when in a two-digit number, immediately you should consider there are two digits, so we can represent it as 10x plus y, where x is in tens place, y is in unit place. The unit digit is twice the tens digit, that is y is equal to 2x. When 27 is added, the digit interchange their places. Find the number. So start your answer. Let the digit at unit place be y. The digit at tens place be x. Therefore, original number we write it as 10 into x plus y. Okay. First condition, x equals to y. Second condition, to the original number, if 27 is added, the digit interchange their places. That means 10y plus x. Transferring, it becomes 9x minus 9y equals minus 27. X minus y equals minus 3. First one, x equals to y, if you substitute, 2y minus y equals minus 3. Right from the result 1. You got it? Here I substituted x as 2y. 2y minus y is, do we get negative x minus y, correct? Where x is 2y, 9x minus 9y is 27. 2y, y equals negative, you are getting. What is the first statement? A two-digit number, the unit digit is twice the tens digit. So, what I taken? Unit digit is twice the tens digit. Unit is y equals 2x, here we have to consider. That is the reason we are getting negative. Y equals 2x. Clear? And to the original number, if 27 is added, the digit interchange their places. This is original number. This is reversing the number. Reversing means the tens place will goes to unit place will comes to tens place. Here I have taken wrongly. Tens place is 2 times. That is the reason here we got y is equal to negative. In such case, you should understand the number cannot be negative. So you have to go back to check your answer. What I can write? 10x plus y is equal to 2x, here I will write, plus 27 equals, before that let us simplify. What you get? 9x minus 9y equals minus 27, dividing it by 9, x minus y equals minus 3. So x minus 2x equals minus 3, minus x equals minus 3, therefore x equals 3. Now substitute here, therefore y equals 2 into 3, so y is equal to 6. So getting x and y value, substitute the original number. Which is the original number? 10 into 3 plus 6. The required number is 36. Check it once. X equals 3, y equals 6. Resubstitute to the original number condition. It is 10x plus y. So the required number is 36. Clear? We'll go with one more statement problem. This is also regarding digits. The sum of a two-digit number and the number found by interchanging the digit. If we consider the original number as 10x plus y, interchanging means it becomes 10y plus x is 110. If 10 is subtracted from the original number, the new number is 4 more than 5 times the sum of the digit. 4 more than means plus 4. 5 times means 5 into x plus y. Find the first number. First number means original number. So try to start your number. Let the digit at unit place be y and tens place be x. The original number is 10x plus y. Reversing the number is 10y plus x. The first condition, original number and interchange the digit, its sum is 110. So what you will get? 10x plus y. Interchanging the number means 10y plus x. Total 110. That is 11x plus 11y equals 110. Dividing it by 11x plus y equals 10. First condition. Second condition, it is given if 10 is subtracted from the first number, 10x plus y minus 10, it will be 4 more than 5 times the original number. This is the second statement condition. To the original number, if 10 is subtracted, then it will be 4 more than means plus 4, 5 times the sum of the digits. There we are not getting its unit place or its place value. We consider the sum of the two digits x and y. But you get 10x plus y minus 10, 5x plus 5y plus 4. I just removed the bracket. Now let us transfer to the LHS. It becomes 5x minus 4y equals 14. Is it clear? 10x minus 5x plus y minus 4y minus 10 transfer to the RHS, it becomes 14. This is the first equation. I will multiply with 4 so that we can easily cancel y values. That is 4x minus plus 4y equals 40. By adding, cancel, 9x equals 54. X equals 6. Getting x equals 6, substitute the value. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 10, y is equal to 4. So now x equals 6, y equals 4. Original number is 10 into x plus y. That is 10 into 6 plus 4. It is 64. Finally, conclude. Therefore, the required number is 64. Is it clear? So in statement problems, first you have to consider which are the statement is taken as a variable. Variable you have to get. If you identify from the question, 40% problem over. And write the statement what is required, another 20%. Remaining is solving of the equation either by substitution method or by eliminating the quotient method. Is it clear to everybody? I will continue. If I think graphical method is convenient and is comfortable, means I can move on to the next chapter, because few students have submitted their assignment. There I have seen that their graphs are correct, or 1 or 2 graph problem tomorrow I will do, then I will move on to the next chapter. Okay, thank you.